Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 6 October. Let's start. In the year of 1683, on this day, 13 German families immigrated to Philadelphia from Krefeld, Germany. German-American Day is celebrated every year on this day. In the year of 1862, on this day, the Indian Penal Code Act was passed and came into force from 1st January. In the year of 1927, on this day, the Jazz Singer, the first feature film with dialogues and background music, was released. In the year of 1963, on this day, the freedom fighter of Punjab, Grand Old Man, Baba Khadak Singh, passed away. In the year of 1973, on this day, Egyptian and Syrian forces launched a two-pronged attack on Israel. In the year of 1981, on this day, Egyptian President Anwar Sadat was assassinated by a military group during a military parade in Cairo. In the year of 1983, on this day, President's rule was imposed in Punjab. In the year of 1994, on this day, UNESCO declared 1995 as the United Nations Year of Tolerance. In the year of 1995, on this day, two Swiss scientists identify a planet outside the Earth's solar system for the first time. In the year of 1999, on this day, the United Nations Conference on Disarmament began in Vienna, the capital of Austria. In the year of 2000, on this day, President Milosevic fled the country amid a bloodless uprising in Yugoslavia with opposition leader Kostunica proclaiming himself president. In the year of 2002, on this day, Nepal's King Gyanendra Veer Vikram Sahadev announced not to assume power. In the year of 2004, on this day, the US vetoed a proposal to stop the Israeli military operation. In the year of 2006, on this day, the United Nations gave peacekeepers in Lebanon the right to use force. In the year of 2007, on this day, Pervez Musharraf was declared elected president of Pakistan with a unilateral victory. In the year of 2008, on this day, in view of the global recession, the Reserve Bank of India decided to cut the cash reserve ratio of banks by half a percentage point. In the year of 2017, on this day, the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to ICAN, International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons, the organization that runs the anti-nuclear campaign. In the year of 2017, on this day, British author Kazuo Ishiguro was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. In the year of 2019, on this day, thousands of Hong Kong protesters defy a new ban on face masks. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Nobel Prize in Physics 2020 was awarded in two parts, one to Roger Penrose and the other half jointly to Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez. The scientists were honored for their discovery of a black hole revealing the deepest secrets of the universe. In the year of 2020, on this day, Janata Dal United was allotted 122 seats while BJP got 121 seats in the seat sharing arrangement ahead of Bihar Assembly elections 2020. This was announced by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. In the year of 2020, on this day, a memorandum of understanding was signed between the Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center and the National Council of Educational Research and Training to make educational material accessible for hearing impaired children, according to the Ministry of Social Justice and Environment was signed. In the year of 2020, on this day, the seventh offshore patrol vessel of the Indian Coast Guard, Vikrah, was formally unveiled at Kattupalli port in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The vessel, built by Larsen and Turbo, is the last in a series of 7 OPVs contracted to the company by the Defense Ministry in 2015. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Kuwaiti government, led by PM Sawa Al Khalid Al Sawa, submitted its resignation to Amir Nawaf Al Ahmad Al Jaber Al Sawa ahead of the general elections 2020, which were to be held in November 2020. That's all. Thanks for watching and support